Hi there. These are the Glo-Bus decision entries, step 2, forecast. For basic forecasting, we need to have some kind of spreadsheet. The spreadsheet will allow us to have an idea of what it is that our competition is doing. So writing down what your industry averages are and comparing them to what your forecast was the last year, you're going to be able to forecast the trend of where those prices, those number of models, those warranty periods, all that stuff will go instead of expecting things to be the same as before. Now, there is a shortcut for those who are time constrained and don't want to use any of these templates or use any of these techniques, and that's to go into Glo-Bus and go into the AC camera marketing, and you have down here the competitive assumptions. This is where you're going to write down your forecast. You're going to change these values to be something that is more competitive generally. And you're going to use those spreadsheets and identify those trends to figure out where the competition, where you think the competition is going instead of from where it's been. Now, in general, if you go to the next year, you're going to see a bunch of values in here from the last year. The computer is going to automatically enter those in. And you want to think about your competition. Is it going to be less competitive or more competitive? And generally, it's more competitive. So if you have no time and you don't care about doing a really good job of this, just click on these menu selections and take one or two or three selections down for price. Why down for price? Well, because that's more competitive. For PQ rating, you want a one or two selections better than you had last year, because your competition is going to try and be better this next year, than they were the last year. And so on for models. The models are going to increase probably, and the competition is going to want to increase the retailer support and so on, until you get down to all of these different selections as one or two, depending on what you feel better. And you do that for the AC camera marketing and the UAV drone marketing. And then you save those within your Glo-Bus so that you'll be able to have those to create your next decision entries and have all your group members working on the same competitive assumption basis for their decisions in